Hello everyone and welcome. In this video we'll be diving into PHP Composer and how to use it to install packages. Composer is an essential tool for modern PHP development, so let's get started. So what exactly is Composer? Composer is a dependency manager for PHP. You can declare the libraries and packages your project depends on, and Composer will manage and download the appropriate versions for you. It helps you to manage your project's dependencies easily and efficiently. Now that you know what Composer is, how do you find the packages you need? The primary resource for finding PHP packages is Packagist.org. Packagist is the main Composer repository, where thousands of PHP packages are hosted and made discoverable. You can search for packages by name, description, or keywords. Next, let's talk about the composer.json file. This is a configuration file that defines your project's dependencies, autoloading rules, and other metadata. It's the heart of your Composer setup. Here's an example of the composer.json file. It contains information like the project's name and a list of required packages with their version constraints. Now let's see how to install packages using Composer. To install a specific package, you can use the command composer require, followed by the package name. For example, to install Monologue, a popular logging library, you would run composer require monologue/monologue. If you already have a composer.json file and want to install all the dependencies listed in it, you can simply run the command composer install. When specifying packages in your composer.json file, it's important to use version constraints. Version constraints allow you to define which versions of a package are compatible with your project. Here are a few common examples. The caret symbol followed by 2.0, such as caret 2.0, indicates compatibility with version 2.0, meaning versions 2.0 up to but excluding version 3.0. The tilde symbol followed by 1.4, such as tilde 1.4, indicates compatibility with version 1.4, meaning versions 1.4 up to but excluding version 2.0. Greater than or equal to 2.1 means any version greater than or equal to 2.1. The asterisk symbol means any version is acceptable, which typically resolves to the latest stable version. One of the great features of Composer is its autoloader. Composer automatically loads classes when they are needed, so you don't have to manually include each file. To use the autoloader, simply include the vendor/autoload.php file in your project. For example, in your PHP code, you can require once vendor/autoload.php. After that, you can use the classes from the installed packages. Finally, let's cover some best practices for using Composer. First, always commit the composer.log file to version control. This ensures that everyone on your team uses the exact same versions of the packages. Add the vendor directory to your gitignore file to avoid committing the packages themselves to your repository. Be careful when using Composer Update in production environments, as it can update packages to newer versions that may introduce breaking changes. Specify version constraints in your Composer.json file to ensure compatibility and prevent unexpected issues. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.